some more now. Swear you got me crazy all night and day.
Now that your girl got some fuel, good morning. Welcome back to my channel.
Simply Cheryl, Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube, and you know she got a vibe for me. She got a vibe for you.
I've never really been a morning person, but I'm getting better over the years. You know, you have some people that just don't talk until they eat something. And then you have those people that are like, don't even blink until I have a cup of coffee. I woke up feeling super motivated. Today's Sunday. I want to get things together for the week, so I'm going to do deep cleaning, focus on some areas in the apartment that I don't normally tackle during my day-to-day. For me, having an itinerary and like an agenda always makes my life much easier than to just do things as they come, because it'll just overwhelm you. Sundays for me is just like that day where you just prepare for the upcoming week. Disciplines you. You know what I mean? It helps you to stay on track, because if you don't, your house can get so out of sorts. It makes things 10 times harder when you have to clean up, and 100 times easier to say, I'm not doing this shit today. Being that I have 3 kids, I'm always having to go behind them and clean up. Sundays is the best day for me to just do like that bulk cleaning. There's nothing better than having a clean house, clean linens, dinner prepared, clothes ready for work, plan your days out, and it makes life much easier. I'll get right into it. I'm gonna set my music up so we can catch a whole vibe in here. Y'all set your music up, and let's make it do what it do.
Just a minute. I'll never catch him while I'm this small. Why, curious butterflies.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Clean my microwave, and for the most part I think it's still pretty new and still clean and still neat. I do notice a little, you know, splashes here and there, which reminds me I have to get one of those covers. So first, upon looking at TikTok, I found another hack of how to clean your microwave, and I developed carpal tunnel because you're scrubbing so much. It says to use 2 cups of water and I believe 2 cups of vinegar. I hope my measurements are on, but either way you're supposed to fill it up, and then you're going to put it in the microwave for like 5 minutes, and then the steam will then make all of the grease and the grime and stuff much easier when it's time to wipe the microwave out. So let's see if it works, y'all.
come through tonight. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend, cause that's who on the low, no location. I don't want them see me getting faded. You should come through tonight. I only kick it with a tie, cause they won't tell, cause they tryna live their best life too. On the low, on my own, I'll be waiting. Put me on the phone, I'll be waiting. Yeah, almost missing my flight today. I look good even though I feel shitty. I just got back out this way. You already got plans for the city.
Simply Michelle. You're watching her on YouTube.